Hello humans and welcome to Plants Per Serving. If this is your first time here, go ahead, subscribe, and ring that bell so you know when the new meals are dropping. Stick around to the end of this video. We got a sweet giveaway going and you don't want to miss out. Alright, today, super simple breakfast. Grits and black beans with grilled avocado. Yes, I said that, grilled avocado. Alright, we're going to start with dried beans because I feel like they taste better and there's less waste, no cans. What you need to do is triple the amount of water to the amount of beans that you're doing and soak them overnight, and then it will look like this. You want to get rid of that water, so drain it, give the beans a rinse, dump them into your stock pot, and then you're going to also double the amount of water there, and then you're going to bring it up to a boil. I'll use the lid to boil it quicker, then turn it down and simmer it for an hour and a half. At this point, you want to season. I use salt, cayenne, and cumin. You can use whatever you want. Once it's simmered for another 30 minutes, go ahead and check to make sure they're done. They should be, but you never know. Today I'm using Bob's Red Mill grits, just following those instructions on the back of the package. Avocado, split it. Throw the oil into the little pit. Use a brush to brush it around all over the surface. Salt, pepper, grill. 5 to 10 minutes depending on how hot your grill is. This one about 10 minutes and it's looking really nice. The thing about this is it really changes the consistency and the taste of the avocado. First time I ever tried it, I was blown away by how it transformed. You can see here how it kind of brightens up the color as well. Alright, choose your own adventure on how you want to plate this up. I just threw a little sriracha on there, am style. Salsa is also a very good choice. Alright, leftovers. Beans, you can refrigerate these for a week or so. It makes for an easy breakfast, easy dinner, easy lunch. They're just ready to go. Nuke them up. Throw your grits into a plastic or silicone cup. Refrigerate those and then they can pop out as a mold. You can slice them up and then fry them. Thug Kitchen 101, giving this book away at the 500 subscriber mark. If you would like to see a video on the fried grits, comment below. Let me know what you think. Thanks again so much for joining me on this journey. Like, subscribe, ring that bell, and I will see you guys next time.